Welcome back to After Effects Masterclass. So today I am sharing you how to create a sponsored bumper for your YouTube channel. So stay tuned. So open After Effects. So in previous class we already discussed about how to create this kind of logo reveals and everything. So anyway, right now we are talking about how to create a sponsors. So create a new composition and change your composition name into sponsor and make into full HD and 30 fps. So we already talked about this in previous masterclass After Effects masterclass. So if you have any doubts, go back to the previous videos, then you will get. Anyway, we need the text, so use the type tool and type your. So I'm going to type sponsor because we have to show our sponsors video, that's why. And change the font size into much bigger and make the paragraph into center and change the font, that layer alignment into center again. So anyway, create a sponsor text in center of your composition, and now we need a background, so create a new solid and change the color into, I copied this from color palette and Control V and OK, and you can change your name into BG and make into the bottom layer. So the thing is, the text color is white and background also light color, so you have to change your solid setting and make it a little darker like this. Okay, now anyway we need, so this is fine. Now we have to add animation for our text layer, so select the text and window animation composer, and here you can see the text, add any animation. So I'm using this one, and from center, that's better. You can see from center, bottom and top. So I use from center or bottom. I use bottom. I think this is more better. Now you can adjust your timing with this TR in, transition in. If you move, so, and we need one call out for the top of the sponsor text. So you can search in your Google speech bubble or something else. So anyway, speech bubble, flat designs. So you can see a lot of flat designs style. So anyway, I found this. I think this is not good because the center is, yeah, I think this is better because it's empty. And save this image, and I already provided this image. You can download this image from my description link. And anyway, I downloaded this text and like this, and we need to change color. So FX, generate and fill, add a fill effects to that layer. Now you can change your color into whatever you want. So I just copy and just paste this color from our color palette. Now see, we have to add a animation for this speech bubble. So I just move the anchor point to the bottom of speech bubble. Now you can add an animation in animation composer, and sorry, yeah, it's recording, and 2D layer animation. You can browse a lot of animation from here, so find a best animation, whatever you want, whichever you like. I think this is very simple. This is better in. So just go to, I think the speech bubble come later, So you have to add, so you can move the tr in and move the layer, entire layer also, like this, or this too slow. Yeah, this is almost fine. So, and you can add another text in that speech bubble. Sorry, create a new text, write somewhere in here, weekly sponsor or weekly tips. You can add volume 1, something like that. You can add any text here, or you can just leave it if you don't want this part, and just reduce the size. Okay, then you can parent this layer into, see, it's not animating, so move the timeline to end and parent into that png, that bubble, so you will get exact animation for the second text also. You don't need to animate again, so you just parent it. It's very important. Parent is very important in After Effects. And now we need to move this sponsor. So I just move the text into means the speech bubble into sponsor. So if you move the sponsor, so for example, yeah, change that timing. So I parent the weekly text into speech bubble into sponsor, you can see. So if you move the sponsor text, everything will move according to sponsor text, because everything is parent into sponsor text. That's the power of parent. So if you have any doubts, just work with parent. Anyway, I add a keyframe in position of sponsor, then move little bit the third second and just move the sponsor text, and I just access the scale by pressing S in keyboard. So at this time the scale also should change, so add a keyframe in scale, and if you press K, jump into next keyframe and just reduce the scale and move the position. Yes, yeah, it's pretty good. If you play, you can see this. Now select the background BG and press the, we have to add a same exact keyframe. So at this time, if you press K and J, you can jump and forward the next keyframe. And anyway, add a keyframe in position of background, and second is should like this. Yes, now I think you have to move the sponsor text a little bit down. Now you can see everything in the same time, the all three keyframe in same time, the sponsors position and scale and background position. Now select the all keyframe assistant easy ease. You can press F9 in keyboard. Now go to graph editor, select the keyframe. You can just zoom for better. Now graph should like this, and plus and minus is the shortcut for zoom in timeline. See, now you can show your sponsored video in that black area, or you can show your own advertisement for if you are selling some product, you can show your own products. And here we already created this logo motion, you can apply here. So we don't need to see them. Yeah, should start from here, just move to here. Like this. So we already rendered in, I think the previous video we already talked about how to create this kind of title. You can check it in my YouTube channel. And if you want until end, just freeze on last frame, right click, time, freeze on last frame. If you extend your video duration. Anyway, we're almost done. Now you can publish your sponsored video, you can publish your own products in this black area. Just put a video below of this, that's it. So we're almost done. Now you can add to render queue, and we already talked about how to create a transparent video. So see you with another really exciting. Peace.